Welcome to WebUI Training, Order Entry, Course Number 140, Advanced Line Entry, Sourcing to a Purchase Order. This training video will demonstrate how to source a product to a purchase order from a sales order. The key fields included are Sourcing tab, Product Source, Purchase Order Number, Document Disposition, Copy Comments, Purchase Order Information, Due Date, Vendor, Ship From, Ship Via, and the Freight fields. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses. From the Advanced Line Entry screen, you can source a stock line type, special, or non-stock to a PO from within the screen. Using a stock item that has zero availability within your warehouse, you can tie it to a purchase order and send it to the vendor to have it shipped in special for the customer. The line type will stay stock, your backorder flag will be checked, enter your product or select from the dropdown, enter your quantity to order, the quantity shipped is 0, net available is 0. From here, you can click on the Sourcing tab, and the screen will go to the Advanced Line Entry Sourcing screen. In the Product Source field dropdown, select Purchase Order. The Purchase Order Number field will show as blank. This field can be used if you're going to tie another purchase order to this line, but for now we will create one from scratch. Your document disposition should always be Allow Backorder. This will allow the PO to tie to the line. If you'd like to add line comments to the order and copy them to the PO, you can check this box here so that whatever line comments you add to the line, they will copy over to your purchase order. In the Purchase Order Information section, the due date field will automatically populate with the average lead time that's set up in the system for this product and this vendor. The vendor field will also automatically populate based on the product chosen. The Ship From field is from which branch of your vendor you would like the product to come from. Some vendors have separate Ship Froms that are set up for EDI that's mostly used for stock orders. If there are other branches that the vendor uses to ship product from, you can click on your lookup, click Search, and select from the grid. Your Ship Via should be filled out with how you would like the product to be shipped into your warehouse, common carrier, or you can search and choose from the many ways of shipping product here. Or you can type over it and choose from the drop-down that appears. Freight terms you can fill in if there's specific freight terms from the vendor that you want to use. Transfer location is if there's a transfer that needs to happen between the vendor and the final destination of the warehouse. The freight bill account field is used if you would like to put a UPS or a FedEx account number and send it to the vendor so that they charge a specific account instead of their own and pass the freight bill on to you. Free on board, you would check if there is going to be no freight attached to the order. Here's your vendor information, phone number and fax number if you need it. Once that section is filled out, click Submit. A message will appear saying your sourcing data has been accepted and you will return to the Advanced Line Entry. Once you have completed the quantity ordered on this line, click Add, and there will be a message that your purchase order has been created and that your back order has been scheduled. Congratulations! You have just completed course number 140, Advanced Line Entry Sourcing to a Purchase Order. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, and follow the instructions to log in. Here is your suggested next course.